So, what are the requirements for naturalization? Welcome to U.S. Immigration Simplified. I'm immigration and business attorney Ronald Lee. Naturalization is a process through which a non-U.S. citizen voluntarily becomes a U.S. citizen. Below are the key requirements to qualify for naturalization. 1. Age requirement. You must be at least 18 years old at the time of the filing of Form N-400, application for naturalization. 2. Lawful permanent resident status. You must have been a lawful permanent resident for at least 5 years before applying, or 3 years if married to a U.S. citizen and living with them during that time. 3. Continuous residence, the 5-year rule. Maintain continuous residence in the U.S. for at least 5 years before applying. 3-year rule for spouses of U.S. citizens. Maintain continuous residence in the U.S. for 3 years before applying. 4. Physical presence. You must have been physically present in the U.S. for at least 30 months out of 5 years for general applicants, 18 months out of 3 years for spouses of U.S. citizens. Time spent in the U.S. You must not have spent more than 6 continuous months outside the U.S. during the qualifying period. If you do, it may disrupt your continuous residence unless you provide proof to counter this presumption. 6. Good moral character. You must demonstrate good moral character during the qualifying period and up to the time of the oath of allegiance. Examples of issues that may affect moral character: criminal convictions, failing to pay taxes, providing false information on your application, committing to immigration fraud. English and civics knowledge. You must pass an English test, demonstrate the ability to read, write, and speak basic English. A civics test. Show knowledge of U.S. history and government by answering questions from a list provided by USCIS. 8. Attachment to the U.S. Constitution. You must affirm your allegiance to the U.S. and agree to uphold and support the principles of the U.S. Constitution. 9. Filing Form N-400. Submit Form N-400 application for naturalization, along with the required fee. Provide supporting documents including green card, proof of continuous residence and physical presence, evidence of marriage to a U.S. citizen if applying under the 3-year rule, tax transcripts, or evidence of good moral character. 10. Attend a biometrics appointment. USCIS will collect your fingerprints, photograph, and signature for background checks. 11. Attend a naturalization interview. USCIS will review your application, ask questions about your background, and administer the English and civics tests. 12. Take the oath of allegiance. The final step is participating in a naturalization ceremony where you take the oath of allegiance to officially become a U.S. citizen. If you need help with your naturalization petition, text me at 312-804-1386 or email me at ronald@rdllawgroup.com.